In the agriculture sector, Kenya's horticulture sector is set for a major boost following the launch of a new digital traceability system designed to strengthen food safety standards and improve access to the key export markets, especially the European Union. The Agriculture and Food Authority, in partnership with industry stakeholders, has commissioned the National Horticulture Traceability System, a platform that will enable tracking of fresh produce from the farm level all the way to international markets.
When the farmer registers the block, he also registers when he planted, the variety he planted, then all the horticultural practices in that farm, including weeding, spraying, fertilization, as well as watering, and finally harvesting. So this is going to know even who harvests the crop and at what time, so that the buyer knows when this crop was harvested, when it was transported to the pack house, and when it was graded, then finally dispatched to the market.
The current rollout will start with the exporters. As soon as we are through with the exporters, we now move into the formal supermarkets. And then from there, we now move to the informals. Opted to not to grow because they felt that they did not have the capacity to access that market. But with this system, we are now going back to train them and tell them, if we go using this system, step by step, you will be able to access that market.
It is a system that will allow us to export more crops to even countries that have conditions to us. EU has so much conditions that it's a big market for us, but the conditions in place sometimes give us a big challenge in terms of exporting this produce to these countries. But the system will assist us to know where the challenges are, and once we know those challenges and address, we can export more produce, especially the flowers,